In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group in Microsoft Teams. If you want to start a group conversation in Teams so you can chat with multiple people at once, the process is quick and simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where all your direct messages and group conversations are managed. Once you're in chat, look for the option to start a new message. Click on New Message to begin creating a fresh conversation. Next, in the recipient field, type the names, email addresses, or phone numbers of the people you want to add to the group. As you type, Teams may suggest contacts for you, which can make selection faster and more accurate. Make sure you add everyone you want included before moving on, since this list will form the members of your new group chat. After you've added the participants, click the down arrow next to the participants' names. This opens the group details area. This part is important because it lets you turn a standard multi-person chat into a more organized group conversation with its own name. Now, type a group name in the field provided. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to find later in your chat list. For example, you might use a project name, team name, or the purpose of the conversation. A good group name helps everyone understand what the chat is for at a glance. Once the group name is set, type your first message in the message box. This message is what finalizes and starts the group chat, so you'll need to send something to create it fully. Your first message can be simple, like a greeting or a short note explaining the purpose of the group. Then, hit send. As soon as you do that, the group chat will be created, and all selected participants will be included in the conversation. From there, you can continue chatting, share files if needed, and keep everyone in one place. A helpful tip is to make your first message clear and welcoming, especially if the group is for vote or coordination. That way, everyone immediately knows why they've been added and what the chat will be used for. And that's it. That's how to create group in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast way to stay connected with multiple people in one conversation.